Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we have another scent that is called Oud Al Fares from Maison Anthony Marmin. So let me show you. This is the sample I got, 0.5 ml. Always try your samples first. So let's try to test it out and see how it actually performs. So it is very dark and thick. Let's see if it has a good dose of Oud and Amber or Ambergris. So I'm going to apply it on my right hand now because left hand has been used thrice on different areas. So I am going to apply it on my finger. Here we go. This is interesting. This is really nice. I really enjoy it. It has a good dose of Hindi oud oil, ambergris. This is, I'm sure of, Oud Al Fares. This is really nice. It has some sweetness, very delicate kind of uplifting sweetness that is, spreading in the background like this. So this is really nicely blended. Maybe some kind of vanilla or something like that, but it is something sweet. Oh, this is really nice. I really love it. This is Oud Al Fares from Maison Anthony Marmin. So, yes. So this one really amazed me. It has a very lovely Hindi oud oil. Then it has good dose of ambergris. Then it has some sweet note. I cannot pinpoint what it is because I haven't read what are the notes. Oh, I cannot stop sniffing it. This is really nice. This is what I would say that it is very nice blend or oud amber kind of attar. If you like oud and ambergris, then this is for you. Oud Al Fares, Oud Al Fares. I'm not sure you call it Fares. I call it Fares. Very lovely blend. So this is I think one of the best from Maison Anthony Marmin. This is really nice. So if I am blunt or I am very honest about the others I don't like, then I am very honest about what I really enjoy. This is really lovely attar, and I think it has 90% naturals or maybe more than that. It is really lovely blend. So this is my review about Oud Al Fares. It has some sweetness or something that is going on in the background. I would read the notes and I will update over here at the bottom. You can read. It has some spice now. Oh, this is really nice. It has something, maybe vetiver. Maybe there is some vetiver kind of note that is fresh and green, something like that. Okay, I will write it down over here. Right now I'm going to rate it. I would rate it like 8 out of 10, and performance wise I would rate it 7 or 8 out of 10. I would rate it 7 out of 10. I think it is getting now lighter, and the Hindi oud note I loved in the start is getting dimmed now. It is very dim. It is getting more sweeter kind of note, a little bit of spiciness in there, but overall it is a very lovely blend. So maybe if you apply it a lot, it is going to have more power, and maybe like 5 to 6 swipes or maybe more, and it will be a very nice blend. Yes, I think whatever is there. Anyhow, so this is my review about Oud Al Fares. This is the one I like from, or I would say liked a lot from Maison Anthony Marmin. I hope you have enjoyed this review. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.